Dialogue practice for Community Cleanup Day. Before we dive into this lesson, I want to encourage you to stay until the very end to receive your bonus just for watching. The vocabulary in this lesson will consist of volunteer, a person who does work but is not paid. We need more volunteers who are willing to give blood. Cleaning campaign, a movement or a set of organized activities to help clean the environment. The students were forced to take part in a cleaning campaign. Fill out, to complete a form by adding the necessary information. The doctor asked his patient to fill out the form. Glove, a piece of clothing that you wear on your hands to keep them warm. It's cold, so she's wearing gloves. Now that you have the vocabulary, you will practice with the dialogue. Read after me for each participant. Good morning. Are you Zach? That's right. You must be David. Pleased to meet you. My professor said you needed some volunteers to help clean up the sanctuary. Yeah, we're having our annual cleaning campaign. Well, sign me up. That's great. Thanks for being here. Please just fill out your details on this registration form. There you go. So, what's next? Could you please put on these gloves and take this garbage bag? Okay. Do I need any training? Don't worry, it's simple. Just pick up any litter you find and don't make contact with the gorillas. What happens if I make eye contact with the gorilla? Then I'll have to find a new volunteer. Shall we go now? Okay, at least I'm getting extra credits in biology. Let's check your understanding. Who came to volunteer for the cleaning campaign? Pause the video and answer the question in about 1 to 2 minutes. Number 2, what was Zach told to do just after meeting David? Pause the video and answer the question within 1 to 2 minutes. Number 3, what advice did David give to Zach? Pause the video for 1 to 2 minutes and answer the question. Now that we've checked your understanding, let's look at list A and list B. What would one say from list A for good morning? Good morning to you too. I'm so sorry. Don't worry about it. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You look great. Thank you. How are you? I'm fine. How did you do? I think you did great. Now let's look at the discussions. Pause the video and answer each question. Leave the video paused until you can answer each question. Number 1, have you ever volunteered for community service? Number 2, Do you encourage other people to join your volunteer activities? Why or why not? Number 3, why do you think it's important to do volunteer work? Number 4, is volunteering common in your country? Number 5, do you think private companies also have a responsibility to their communities? Why or why not? Now that you've completed the discussion, let's go back to the dialogue. I'll read as the first participant, then you will follow with the second participant. Good morning. Are you Zach? Yeah, we're having our annual cleaning campaign. That's great. Thanks for being here. Please just fill out your details on this registration form. Could you please put on these gloves and take this garbage bag? Don't worry, it's simple. Just pick up any litter you find and don't make eye contact with the gorillas. Then I'll have to find a new volunteer. Shall we go now? Now that you've completed that practice session with me reading first, at the count of 3, you will start to read first, and I will read as the second person. 1, 2, 3. That's right. You must be David. Pleased to meet you. My professor said you needed some volunteers to help clean up the sanctuary. Well, sign me up. There you go. So what's next? Could you please put on these gloves and take this garbage bag? What happens if I make eye contact with a gorilla? Okay, at least I'm getting extra credits in biology. Thanks for practicing. In this class, we practiced with the topic of a cleaning campaign. This exercise was designed to help with building confidence in conversation and practical vocabulary exercises. We dove into the concept of a cleaning campaign and acquired valuable expressions for social interactions. Additionally, we engaged in dialogue practice to boost your fluency and confidence in English. Now, please take a moment and activate the notification bell. This ensures that you never miss any of our captivating English lessons. My aim is to assist you in improving your English skills, tailoring lessons to your specific needs, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner. It's important to note that you can maximize the benefits of this lesson with personalized coaching. If you're interested in receiving tailored instructions, be sure to get in touch with me and qualify for a complimentary English lesson as a token of appreciation for exploring this English lesson. Ready to start? Join me for an entirely free journey towards English fluency with Dr. Priscilla. Leave a comment in the reply section with the words English fluency and let's connect.